Hi, fifth grade. Today we're going to talk about organizing our research notes. For the past few days, you've been spending so much time working so hard to research about your environmental problem. You have pages and pages of notes. And today, we're going to learn how to organize those notes so that you can begin writing next week. Click on the link that your teacher provided to bring you to Coggle. Once you're at Coggle, you're going to click the Login button. After you click the Login button, be sure to sign in with Google. After you click Sign in with Google, choose your school email account. From here, it's going to ask what describes you. Today, you're a student. Now, you're going to choose between the two different kinds of maps. We're going to be using concept maps to organize our research. So choose concept maps on the left. And welcome to Coggle. Coggle is a great way to organize your ideas in a visual way. You could start by taking a quick tour, but I'm going to show you everything that you need. You're going to start by creating a new diagram. This spot that they give you is going to be the middle of your diagram. So this is where you're going to put your main idea. Remember, my sample essay is all about dams, but your essay is a different environmental problem. Once I type, I'm just going to click to the side to show that this is final. Now I'm going to think of all of my different subtopics and make those the little arms that come off my main idea. So to make my first arm, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to have this be the causes of my environmental problem. Then I'm going to come over here and click and to make it the effects of my environmental problem. And then I also need my solutions. So if you notice, these were the three main areas that we were researching when we were taking our notes. Remember that last little piece that we were looking for? That's the definition of our environmental problem. So what I've done here is I've now labeled each of these subtopics. Now for each of these subtopics, you have taken notes. So now I'm going to come here and add another branch for each note. So some of the effects of a dam would be that fish can't swim upstream. We know that then I'm going to come back to this plus sign at the word effects to make another detail. Another detail of the effects is sediment can't flow downstream. So these are my two effects of the environmental problem of dams. Now let's think about some causes of dams. We said that it's powers hydroelectricity. We also know that in solutions, one of the solutions could be to remove the dams. Once you've typed in all your important information and all your important notes, you can add some pictures and change the font sizes so that you can visually see your information better. If you click on the words, you can drag the corner to make the words bigger or smaller. You can also click on this little electrical symbol to choose a symbol that can go within that box. This one is my main point, so I'm going to make it really big so that I can see it. And I'm also going to add a picture. If you click here, you can upload a picture to go with it. So now I have a picture of a flowing stream to go with my dams. Boys and girls, please remember that the most important part of this is the words that you type in with your notes. This will help you organize your notes so that you can write your essay. Remember, we're going to be writing a 5-paragraph essay with an introduction, conclusion, as well as a paragraph about the causes, the effects, and the solutions. Thanks so much.